Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping by. Remedy I will be sharing today is about effective way to reduce ear hole size naturally at home. Okay, if you have a large ear hole, this remedy I will be sharing with you, it will help you to reduce the size of the ear hole size you have. So guys, let's go straight to the remedy guys. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how we're going to be reduce the ear hole size. Okay guys, the first ingredient we all know, Colgate. All right, so we're going to be using this as a first ingredient, and I'm going to be share, and then we need our tape. You can use any, this is the doctor ones, this is very good. So I'm going to be sharing with you how we are going to be reducing the size of the hair hole. So this work, so you need your tape. Okay guys, if your hole is if your hair hole is very large, you need to double this. Okay, so all you have to do with this tape here guys, you just have to get a amount of Colgate and you apply this straight to the hole, to the size of the hole of your hair. You apply it that way, okay, and you go underneath of your hair piece and you apply this. You make sure they're covered, okay, and you can do hair patches, ear test first before you go ahead if you have a sensitive hair. Okay, so you leave this between between 45 minutes. If your hair is very sensitive, you rinse it. Okay, make sure you do your hair patches before test. Go ahead with this remedy. Okay, so you stick this, you get yourself a tape, so you stick the tape on top of it. Okay, so you leave this overnight. So you continue to do this every day. So give yourself 20 working days or 30 working days before you could see any result. Okay, if you are not that type of person that have patience, maybe you should try it for 14 working days. Okay, if I'm the one, if I want to reduce the size of my hair piece, the hole, the lobe there, I will actually give myself at least 3 months before I will give it up. Rinse this with lukewarm water. Okay, and when you rinse this with lukewarm water, you want to apply coconut oil. Okay, because it's going to be dry that place anyway, so you apply coconut oil. Get a good coconut oil. Okay, so I like this brand. I used to use this for my all over my body. So you apply the coconut oil all over the hair lobe, the hair hole where it's very white. Okay, where you really want to string to tight. So you massage this, because after using the toothpaste, definitely it's going to be dry. So you apply, you do this for 2 minutes. Okay, you massage it. Continuation is the key. So you continue with the patient, continue to do it. Give yourself 2 to 3 months. Okay, you continue. When you rinse it in the morning, you massage your coconut oil or any good oil that you can get. So you continue, do this 2 minutes. So guys, the second remedy I'm going to be sharing with you is aloe vera gel. Okay, you get yourself 100% aloe vera gel. All right, so we all know all the benefits of aloe vera gel. Is very good for our skin. And check yourself if you are very sensitive or if you're allergic to anything. Do a skin patches, do hair patches before you go ahead. Okay, give yourself 2 hours before you can go ahead. Apply it to your skin. If you get irritated, wash it with lukewarm water. So to reduce the hair loss, so all you have to do for this, because it's aloe vera, you don't just get a genuine amount of aloe vera gel, 100% aloe vera gel, and rub it to where the hair hole you really want to shrink. Apply your aloe vera gel. All right, because this is aloe vera gel, you don't need any tape. Just massage it to the hair where you really want to shrink. Apply this. By apply aloe vera gel, it will help you to reduce the size of your hair lobe. Okay, this will help you to reduce it from here to very tiny. Continuation is the key. The more you apply your aloe vera gel every night before going to the bed, it's going to help you to get rid of any infection, and it's going to strengthen your hair very tight. Okay, and if you have any infection, it's going to help you to get rid of the infection. Continuation is the key. When you wake up in the morning, you rinse this with lukewarm water. Okay, and after rinse that, okay, you get any brand of coconut oil. I have different coconut oil because I love rubbing coconuts to my body. So you apply the coconut oil or get any good brand, and you rub. You do the same thing, the same. After 2 minutes, that's it. Off you go, and it's worked perfectly. Okay, that is second method. Okay, try this method and let me know what you think. So guys, the third method is by applying a lovely extra virgin oil, extra virgin olive oil to your hair lobes. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you how you are going to be doing that. As we are growing old, our hair lobe lost elasticity and starts sagging like other parts of the body. As we are growing old, it's normal for those parts to be start sagging. Okay, so but regular application of some oil like olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil can help us to reduce this saggy skin or saggy hole. Okay, so as we get old, the part of the body also as well is going to be getting old by sagging, by losing elasticity, and by applying some oil like coconut oil to the hair lobe, it will help. Okay, so you massage your coconut oil. It could be olive oil or jojoba oils or any very good oil brands you get. So you apply this to the hair lobes. Okay, it's normal for all the body to be saggy as you get old. So you apply this, keep applying the good coconut oil or olive oil. You massage it for 4 to 5 minutes to the hair lobe. Okay, so you continue do it for up to 5 to 3 minutes, and continuation is the key. Give yourself at least 2 to 3 months. All right,